Alright, so here is going to be the how-to guide on taking care of your pet bird, or in this case, cockatiel. So today to help us, this will be Lucy, and first things first, to change out the food and water dish. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so for food, we have a mix here of bird seeds, so I'm going to want to pour in a bit of that. Good, and then you're gonna want to mix in another half of what's essentially bird fruity pebbles. So you're gonna want to pour in much of that, and then you're gonna mix it up. I found that by shaking it, you can basically get just a nice even mix there. All right, so I'm gonna put that in. Alright, so now that she has clean water and clean food, next is going to be to switch out all the paper towels to nice clean paper towels and dump out all the seed and dried bird crap. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we're out of paper towels. So now I'm going to go to the store and buy paper towels. Alright, so here is a bonus for those of you that don't know how to start a car, even though we're all seniors. I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to start a car. But you take the ignition key, and you put it in the ignition, and you turn it. Now that's how you start a car. Alright, so here we are at Ralph's to get some paper towels. Yeah. And now it's how to pump gas. Take the pump, put it in the gas knot thing, and you wait. Wow, all of your waitering money drains into your car. Got the paper towels. Alright, so now that we have finished the food and the water and cleaning of the cage, it's time to clean the bird herself. Is that right, Lucy? Yep. Another important thing is to provide lots of head rubs. She looks mildly annoyed, but she likes it. Alright, so we're gonna go to the shower. You ready to shower, bird? Yeah, she's ready. See, when they're in the shower getting hit with water, they'll do this little bird rain dance here. This way she can get all water into her feathers. Usually the water slides off during flight, so it doesn't weigh them down when they're flying. But when they're ready to bathe, this is what they do. You see, she loves it. She's doing this whole thing here. So she has climbed up on my shoulder, indicating that she is done with her shower. So I'll go take her back to her cage now. Now she likes to just sit here and dry out in the sun, look at the people driving by. So there's a freeway over there, but that's just what she likes to do. So that is how you take care of your pet bird, or cockatiel in this case. I don't know. She's chewing on the bar there. But yeah, as the end.